What looks like a simple plant storing water is actually the result of millions of years of evolutionary pressure shaping survival under extreme physiological stress. Succulent plants are defined by their ability to store water in specialized tissues, typically in leaves, stems, or roots. This adaptation emerges in environments where water availability is unpredictable or chronically limited, such as arid deserts, rocky outcrops, and even epiphytic niches. The stored water is not just passive reservation. It is tightly regulated through cellular structures like large vacuoles, which maintain turgor pressure and metabolic function during prolonged drought. A key physiological mechanism in many succulents is Crassulacean acid metabolism, a photosynthetic pathway that optimizes water use efficiency. Unlike typical C3 plants that open their stomata during the day, succulents open stomata at night, reducing evaporative water loss. Carbon dioxide is fixed into organic acids and stored until daylight, when it is released internally for photosynthesis. This temporal separation between gas exchange and light-driven reactions significantly reduces transpiration, sometimes by up to 90% compared to non-succulent plants. Morphologically, succulents often exhibit reduced leaf surface area or even complete leaf loss, as seen in stem succulents. This minimizes transpiration. In species with leaves, the cuticle is typically thick and waxy, acting as a barrier against water loss and excessive solar radiation. Some also display a phenomenon known as leaf windowing, where translucent tissue allows light penetration while minimizing surface exposure. Another important aspect is their root systems. Many succulents develop shallow but spreading roots that rapidly absorb water from brief rainfall events. Others form contractile roots that pull the plant deeper into the soil, reducing exposure to heat and herbivory. From an ecological perspective, succulents contribute to ecosystem stability in harsh environments. They act as water reservoirs for certain animals, stabilize soils, and participate in nutrient cycling. Some species also engage in mutualistic interactions with pollinators adapted to arid climates, often producing nectar-rich flowers that bloom under highly specific environmental triggers. Interestingly, succulents has evolved convergently across multiple plant families, meaning unrelated lineages developed similar adaptations independently. This is a classic example of convergent evolution driven by environmental constraints rather than shared ancestry. Despite their resilience, succulents are not indestructible. Overwatering is one of the most common causes of mortality, as their tissues are adapted for scarcity, not abundance. Excess water disrupts oxygen diffusion in roots, leading to hypoxic stress and microbial decay. In essence, succulent plants are not simply water-storing organisms, but highly specialized systems balancing hydration, gas exchange, and survival in environments where most plants would rapidly fail.